Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I am going to discuss the strategies which I discussed earlier. So, from time to time I've been sharing some of my trades in Ethereum and Bitcoin. On January 20, I shared a strategy in Ethereum where I bought 3000 call option and sold 5000 call option, triple the quantity, and also sold 2000 put option, double the quantity. If you have not watched that, you can watch that video here. And this strategy involved a margin of only $1,200, and now I'm sitting with a profit of $420. So that is almost how many percentage? Nearly 35%. Since it was given only on January 20, February, March, April. So it is still not April 20. So in less than 3 months, we have made 35% return. So that is an average of more than 10% per month. In fact, the margin money used was $1,200. We have made about $400 plus profit. That works out to be only 10%. But here I want to tell you something very important. When we are trading in NSE or BSE, when you take a position, hedged position, there will be margin benefit. Say for example, you sell a call option in Bank Nifty, the margin money may be 1.5 lakh rupees. You want to sell a put option, the margin money may be 1.5 lakh. But when you are selling both call option and put option, that become hedged position, the margin money will not be 3 lakh, it will be about 1.5 lakh, 1.7 lakh or 1.8 lakh like that. So that is called portfolio margin. Those margin benefits were not available in Delta Exchange until some time ago. Now they have introduced portfolio margin benefit. You take a hedged position, automatically your margin will be less. But however, in our case, the margin is still showing higher. The reason is that we have taken the position before this margin benefit was introduced. If you have taken some position before this feature was introduced, you will not be eligible. You have to close the position and you have to recreate the position. But however, in our case, we have a lot of margin money left, so we didn't bother about margin benefit. So we just left it. Our first strategy, which was given on January 20, Ethereum 3000 buy, 5000 sell, 2000 sell, it has given more than 10% return per month. The second one, a Bitcoin strategy, I have given on February 3. If you have not seen that video, you can go and watch here. On February 3, we have taken a position in Bitcoin. There, what I did, I bought 35,000 call option and sold 50,000 call option and 55,000 call option. It is a call ratio. In addition to that, the 25,000 put and 20,000 put, we sold it. And now the market, Bitcoin, has been trading between 35,000 and 50,000 only for all along these days. And this strategy, we have done it on February 3, March, April. So it's more than 2 months. In these 2 months, we have a buy at 35,000, sell at 50,000, but the market has been trading in this range only. This one has also given a very good profit, but however, it's going to be difficult for me to show the online data because when we were doing some other strategy, so some of these positions got squared off. So that's why I'm not able to show. And then the third strategy, which we have given on February 24, it's once again a Bitcoin strategy only. There I suggested buying a 40,000 call option and selling 4.5 times the 60,000 call option, and then again selling 20,000 put and 25,000 put. If you have not seen that video, you can go and watch here. Right now, the Bitcoin has been trading between 40,000 and 50,000 only. February 24 we have given about 1.5 months before, and Bitcoin has been, it went to 48,000, now again coming back to 41,000. As long as it is trading between 40,000 and 60,000, we will be making some good profit. And the margin blocked for this strategy is $2,000. If I take now, it will be much less, but I paid the full margin. The margin blocked for this is $2,000, and we are sitting with a profit of $800. So $2,000 to $800 is 40%. 40% in how many months? Just 1.5 months. The position was created on February 24. So again, this is a very good strategy. Here, maybe I can show you the data. You can see here 40,000 call option with a $243 loss, but 60,000 call option, $841 profit. Plus we have some 25,000 put, 20,000 put. We are sitting with $449 profit, $195 profit. But however, the quantity here may be slightly higher because we have done for some other strategy. That's why the quantity may be different. You can see here we have about 73 positions are running together because everything we have not posted in YouTube, but we are also running many other positions that get clubbed with the existing positions. The fourth strategy, which was discussed on March 17, and again if you have not seen that, you can go and watch the video here, and where I suggested selling 40,000 short straddle. That means sell 40,000 call and sell 40,000 put. And it was given on March 17, but it was an April expiry. And then for the to extend the range, I suggested buying 50,000 call and finance that by selling 55,000 call, buying 30,000 put and financing that by selling 25,000 put. And those hedge positions is giving almost zero profit only because that's a hedge position only. But the 40,000 straddle, it has been doing very well. But however, because markets moved violently, what we did, the 40K straddle we squared off with the $62 profit. Then we took 45K straddle. That we closed around a loss of $24. Again we created 48K straddle. We closed with $4 profit. And again the market moved very violently. Now the premiums have come down for April series. So we shifted to 45K June straddle. Altogether, the total margin money was $4,000, but we are just having only $70 profit. That's less than 2%. Yeah. Anyway, so less than a month, even 2% profit is also something good. But had we held on to the position, we would have made huge profit. But Bitcoin traveled from 40,000 to 48,000, again came back to 40,000. So that's why we had to shuffle the things. In a nutshell, what I'm suggesting, the strategies that we are creating in Nifty or Bank Nifty, similar strategies can be created in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we can make very good profit. Many people ask me one question, sir, cryptocurrencies, they are highly volatile. How to trade? And here I discussed 4 strategies. Out of 4 strategies, 3 strategies I created, just left it, and I'm making very, very good profit. I'm making an average of 10% profit per month. Only one strategy I started shuffling, that's why the profit came very, very low. You must understand one thing, there is no doubt cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, but look at the premium. One day, few weeks before, I was just checking, Bitcoin was trading around 40,000. And the next month, short straddle trading at $8,000 premium. That's almost 20% premium. Same thing in Bank Nifty, in NSE also was trading around 40,000. And the next month, short straddle was trading around 2,000 rupees premium. That is only 5%. If you see Nifty next month, the premium will be hardly 3 to 4%. Bank Nifty next month, premium will be 5 to 6%. But Bitcoin next month straddle will be trading at 20-25% premium. There is no doubt that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, but accordingly the premiums are also very, very high. and always the IV in cryptocurrencies above 100. That's one thing. Second thing, you can see out of the 4 strategies that I discussed, 3 strategies we are sitting with a very good profit, and 1 strategy we did not make good profit, and that's because we have done it in the short term. Always, if you want to make a good money, better trade with long term, at least 3 to 6 months away from the current time. So that can give you an excellent profit. So disclaimer, this is not an invitation for you to come and trade in cryptocurrency. I've taken some position. I'm happy that I'm making money. I'm happy to share with my followers. All these things I'm just discussing with you how I'm taking the positions using a various strategies instead of simply selling call and put. If you want to take position, please consult your financial advisor before taking the position, and don't take randomly some position and then blame me. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.